Hi friends, Happy New Year to all. Today we are going to see how to make hairband from waste material. We are taking the measurement 7-inch width and length is 18-inch. You have to take two stripe of same size. This is 7 by 18 inch. Cut this rectangular shape. This is two part. You have to cut this elastic also 7-inch long. Three-inch by 11-inch. 3-inch width and 11-inch length. This you have to take one piece. Now your cutting is done. You can see this. We have cut three parts. Two with the same length and one is to attach elastic. Now we'll proceed for stitching. Now we'll take first 18-inch long stripe and fold it. Now we'll give the stitch line. You have to stitch it straight. Same way you have to stitch other piece also. And this small piece also you have to stitch straight. Stitching is done. Now we have to turn this wrong side inside and we have to take out the correct side. Let's see how it has to be done. With the help of screwdriver you can turn your correct side out. Now you have to attach this elastic to the small part of the fabric, which we have taken 11 by 3. At the edge, you have to stitch elastic with the fabric. Push your fabric inside. Remove this pin and stitch it here also. Both the end was stitched properly. Now you have to iron it properly. Same way you have to iron other part also. Now you have to take the 18-inch long part, fold this and keep your elastic over it in center and fold this big part this way and stitch it now. Now you have to take second part and pull inside the first part. Put this, take it cross, and same way you have to attach the elastic to the edge. In the center you keep the elastic and fold the fabric from both the side this way. Now stitch it. Now you can see your hairband is ready with very nice finishing. You can see your hairband is ready with elastic. This is your final hairband is ready with nice finishing. Now you can also do it yourself. Same thing with remaining fabric of your dress material. So if you like this accessory, you like us, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe us if you are new on our channel. Thank you.